channel, everyone. It's good to be back. You know, sometimes you make a purchase and then you get it and you're like, why did I buy this? This is one of those times. I'm not complaining. I don't think it'll be a bad purchase, but it's one of those where I'm just like, why did I spend the money to buy this? As the description says, I bought something interesting. I bought golden side mirrors. Look at this. Look at that. Hey, look, you can see the camera. Look how big that thing is in this mirror too. So these are really easy to install. No tools are needed. They do. So these are the ones with the side lane detection, side lane detection, heated mirrors. They also have a turn signal integrated into them. I don't want the turn signal, so I'm not even gonna wire it, but it has the option if you want it later on. I don't want it. I don't really care for it. It is like chilly today too. It's definitely wintertime. So, oh, spiders. Again. Oh, geez. I need to wire electrical out here so I'm not tripping all over that thing either. So like I said, you don't need any tools to install these. They are wide angle, so I'm going to do a comparison of the wide angle versus the standard mirror, so that way you can kind of see the difference of how much more zoomy room you get, or angly doodads. I don't know. So let's jump into it. We're just gonna start pulling the old ones off, put these ones on, then we'll play with them a little bit, see how they look. So I apologize for the cars in the background, but easy to pull off. Literally just grab the mirror and pull it off. Pull the mirror off like I just did. There's going to be two electrical connectors back here, one for the heated element and then one for the side lane detection. The side lane detection one is a standard clip. So we'll just undo that guy, push it in, pull it apart, and then these two just come right off. Just pull it right off. Bam! Standard mirror's off. So here's what the back sides of both of these look like. So this is the gold mirror here. As you can see, it's got the same connection plugs, and it's got two extras for the turn signal if you want that. I don't. So this is our side lane detection mirror guy. This is our heated element. And then here's the OEM one. As you can see, same thing. We have our heated elements down here, our side lane detection here, and we have this one metal tab that I'm not sure what it does, but I'm not gonna use it. So I don't think it's needed. So this is the left one. I'm gonna get this guy plugged in. Bam, with all that plugged back in, just snap this guy right into place now. I'm gonna cut these off. These turn signal ones, looks like they're just getting in the way. So let's try this again. So the issue is these stupid ass turn signal wires. You need to cut these out or else it won't go on, but it's on there. So I'm gonna get this wiped down and we'll jump to the other side, knock that side out. Sick. Let's hop in the car and then go see how these look. Wide as fuck. Not wide. Gold. Normal. So I'm gonna be honest, man, I don't think I'd recommend these, just based off of the fact I had to cut off the wires that went with them. The only reason I got these is because I wanted wide angle mirrors, just so I could have a little bit better visibility when driving. But the gold tint on them does look a little bit nice. You can't really tell they're gold unless you like really get up in there and look at it, but there's an OEM JDM version of these for like $350 that if these don't do what I want them to, I might swap to them, but we'll see. I'm not entirely sure. They don't look bad, and they do give a nice wide range of view. Like, they're pretty wide. I can see a lot back there compared to what I was seeing before on both sides. The only thing that I don't like is I just don't like the cheap quality of Subispeed's products. Like, all of their products to me are just, they're trash. These were made in Taiwan. The quality of the back sides was questionable. Like, I don't even know if these are gonna stay on there, so I'm gonna end up keeping my side mirrors around just in case, but I mean, in the long term, we'll see what happens, but for now, we'll rock them. It has gone from like hot to cold, like real quick. Like, what is the current temperature? 46. I don't feel like 46. Feels a lot colder than that. Like the hands, they're having difficulty grabbing things and it's just not all right. Not okay. Not okay at all. Luckily I have coffee, which I do like quite a bit. Yeah, It's nice to be outside. It's cold as shit though. Like it went hot to cold way too quick. It's 46 degrees today and my hands doing that install just were not cooperating. Ooh, bright. But the mirrors overall, I don't know if I'd recommend them. I'm not a fan of Subi Speed products just based off of the quality and the level of, it's not even engineering they put into them or the thought. It's just slapped together to make a profit. That's how I see their products. But like I said, I normally strive for good quality products. We'll see how the mirrors end up holding up. I don't even know if the side function works on them or anything like that, but I'll find out in the near future and I'll report back on that one as well. But as always, I appreciate the time everyone spends here. And if this video helped you at all, if you're looking for some wide angle mirrors, maybe you're just curious about some gold mirrors, the gold is kind of cool, I'll give it that. But if it helped you at all, give me a like. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the time that everyone hangs out with me here. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, homies. Woo!